Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today I have many color combination and different types of 6 toy vehicles serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So friends, now I will hand drive all of these toy vehicles one by one with my hand. So at first is a fuel tanker. So I will try this one now. Let's go. Oh friends, at last I reached my parking place. So I parked here this fuel tanker. This is very nice yellow, black and red color combination. And next one is a cartoony helicopter. I parked here this cartoony helicopter beside this fuel tanker. This is very nice and beautiful model plastic cartoony helicopter. This color is yellow and red. Now I will drive this police car. I also parked here this police car beside this helicopter. See this police car, this is yellow, green, black and paste color combination, this nice car. This one is a big size mixer truck. Wow, I parked here this mixer truck beside this car. See this mixer truck, this is yellow, black and white color combination, this realistic model mixer truck. So friends, one by one already 4 vehicles hand driven and introduced with you, and you can see all are serially parked here. And next one is here a Pajero police jeep. Oh, I parked here this police jeep. This is very nice and also realistic model 4-wheeler jeep. Here is orange, yellow and blue color combination this police jeep. Last one is here a roller with mixer truck. Let's go. Wow friends, I also parked here this mixer truck with roller. This is a realistic model, this toy. Here is the yellow and black color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and serially parked here. All are introduced with you. So now I will ending my video. See you soon with next time with many color combination vehicles.